In this video, I will very briefly go over some simple video creation options if you are new to making videos. The simplest options to use are Poodle, Yuja, or Zoom. With Poodle, you can record directly within Moodle, anywhere you see the auto editor, such as a forum, assignment instructions, or a page. In the auto editor, you can click the Record Video button. Record your video. When you're done, click Stop. Then click Upload. Once you see it is uploaded successfully, click Insert. Now, once you save and display, your video will appear. Poodle does not create captions, so only do this option if you're willing to type or paste a transcript beneath your video. Having captions or transcripts is very important for accessibility. This also stores the video directly in Moodle, which can take up a lot of server space, so make sure to only use this for short videos that are less than 5 minutes long. The next easiest option is Yuja. Yuja is a tool that allows you to record and store videos. Again, anywhere you see the auto editor, you can click the Yuja button. Make sure you've selected where you want your video to appear. Then click the Yuja button. Click Record Content, then choose Record with Browser Capture Studio. Give it a descriptive title, not like this, then click Launch Recording. Select your microphone, your camera if you want to use it, and whether or not you want to use your camera, your screen, or both. Then click Start Recording. Pause the recording if you need to take a break, delete the recording if you want to start over, then click End the recording if you are done. Click Upload if you want to use the video. Once you see Upload finished, you can close the Browser Capture tab. Back in Moodle, you will see the Yuja Media Chooser open and your new recording will be processing. Click the recording, then click Insert Content. It will appear in your auto editor as a hyperlink that says Yuja Embedded Content. Click Save and Display, and your video will appear embedded. It may take some time to process, but it will eventually show up, and it should automatically create captions. These will be fairly accurate captions, so this is a great option if you want to record without a script. This is also great for longer videos, as they will be stored in Yuja, not Moodle. To access your Yuja recordings, go to oakland.yuja.com and log in with your OU account using Oakland University Single Sign-On. You can learn more about Yuja in our e-LIS help library. Under the Lecture Capture and Video Editing tab. If you create a video with another program or just a normal camera, you can also add the file to Yuja. To upload a video file to Yuja, log in to oakland.yuja.com, click Upload, and select your video from your files. You may need to manually request captions to be generated. To share a Yuja video in your course, go to the auto editor. Click Yuja, and under Choose Media, select your video. Alternatively, you can upload a video directly to Yuja in this step instead of going to the Yuja website beforehand. Then click Insert Content and Save and Display. Finally, you can record with Zoom. You can record to the cloud or your device, and once you have that recording file, you will need to upload the file to YouTube, Yuja, or some other place where you want to store your video. We won't go into detail about that here, as we have another video on uploading to YouTube. This can be great if you're comfortable recording with Zoom. If your video has a script, YouTube is a good choice because you can go in and add that script as captions. YouTube does automatically caption videos, but those captions are not always the most accurate. If your video is unscripted, we recommend uploading the video file to Yuja, as we just showed, and inserting it in your course that way, as that will have more accurate captions. These are not the only ways to make or share videos, but these are some quick and simple ways you can add videos to your course. If you still have questions, feel free to reach out to ID team or visit our website at oakland.edu/elis.